Well, here we are outside my place in Robins Court. There's the sign for Robins Court, the white one. Look at the clouds. Dark clouds, meaning that rain could be on its way. There's a bird up there. That bird going. My place is to the right, behind that hedge. There's birds sitting on top of the... Oh. That tree, usually the rocks hide, and the crows in that tree. There you go. I don't know where that one's going. Seems to have timed it well with all the birds flying around. Good. Well, it's bin collection day. Now, something else. Oh, hello. That is not my cat. May I say that again? Not my elf. No. Very similar and similar, but she or he is not mine. I don't know where she comes, or he or she comes from, but it's obviously from over there somewhere. Saw her yesterday. Oh no, there's a bird up there. That's why I teach birds. There's more birds sitting on the over there, and birds flying. Hello.